In this video, I'll show you how to post your template on CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. To post templates, your account usually needs access to CapCut's template creator tools, so check that you are using the account approved for template publishing. From the home screen, tap New Project and create the edit you want to turn into a template. Add your clips, photos, text, effects, transitions, music, filters, and timing. Try to make the edit clean and easy for other people to reuse with their own media. Once your edit is ready, preview it from the beginning. Make sure the timing is smooth, the text is readable, and the video does not include anything private or copyrighted that could cause issues. Next, look for the option to publish or submit the project as a template. This may appear as post as template, create template, submit template, or publish template depending on your version of CapCut and your creator access. Tap that option, then choose which clips, photos, or text areas other users will be able to replace. These replaceable sections are what make your project work as a template. After that, add a clear title and description for your template. Use simple words that explain the style, such as travel edit, birthday slideshow, beat sync, aesthetic photo dump, or business promo. You may also need to choose a category, cover image, and tags. Pick a cover that shows the best part of your template because this is what people will see first when browsing. Before posting, review CapCut's template rules and make sure your template follows the guidelines. Then tap Submit, Publish, or Post. After publishing, CapCut may review your template before it becomes visible to others. Once it is approved, people can use your template with their own photos or videos. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.